home page is completed now. So next one that we'll work on is about page. In this step, we'll create our about page. So let's go back in our text editor and let's create a new blank document. If you take a look, inside of our home page, we have our header, we have our footer, and also we have a middle part. So we can copy complete content of our home page and let's paste it inside of newly created document. Okay, let's save this document. Let's save it like about.html. Okay. So now, if we take a look, inside of our about page, we just need to change this to about. Also, we will use another body. Our heading and our footer are basically the same, and we just need to replace our middle part. Also, as I said, we'll use another body class. So I already prepared body class that we'll use for body inside of our about page. Okay, so let's replace our current body with this new one. Let's align our code a little bit. So now, body class will be applied on complete body in this document. So we set 15 pixels for text, about 13 like font family, and also we are using background about. That is a new image that we will use for background in about page. This is the one, so I will copy this image and I will paste it inside of our images folder inside of our website. So this is image that will be applied for our background for about page. Okay, so let's save our changes. Let's go back in our web browser. Let's refresh our page. Now we can open our about page. And here it is. If you take a look, home background is different in comparing to background that we use for about page. Okay, next thing that we will do for about page, for our middle part, let's define one simple div. And inside of it, let's define heading element h1 with the text about our website. Let's save our changes. So when we refresh our page, here it is. This is our heading element. But if you take a look, heading element in home page is gray color at first. So let's change that for our heading in about page. So let's create class HTML attribute here. Okay, and from styles file, let's use gray text just to change color of our text. So let's paste it here. So now when we save our changes and refresh our page, our text is gray. Okay, now let's centralize our text. So for that, also from styles file, we will use TAC or text align center. So let's paste it here. So now when we save our changes, let's go back in our web browser. And here it is. Our heading is in gray color and it's centralized inside of our screen. Now let's create that other text for about page. As I said in start of this lesson, I already prepared that text. This is the one. So I will copy it. And now, below our heading element, let's define pre-HTML element. So that is the element that will follow original text structure that we have. So let's paste our text here. We can align our text a little bit. Okay, we missed this one and this one also. Nice. So now if you take a look in this text, we have various text formatting elements. For example, mark that will highlight text that we have in the middle, okay? We have B element that will create bold text. We have U element that will create underlined text. We have I element that will create italic text, etc. Let's save our changes. Let's go back in our browser. So now we have text for about page, but I want also for this text to be same color like heading text that we have. So this text instead of black will be gray. So let's change that. For our pre-element, let's define class HTML attribute. And let's apply gray text class for it. So we can copy it from here. Let's paste it here. Save our changes. And go back in our browser. And here it is. Now we have gray text for both for our heading and also for the rest of our text. But how we can improve our code? Basically, gray text is applied on both on heading and pre-element. So we can use on complete div class HTML attribute. Okay, and let's apply gray text. We can copy it from here. Let's paste it here. And now we can remove our class HTML attribute from here. And also we can remove our gray text class from here. So if we save our changes, let's go back in our browser. Basically everything is the same, but we improved our code because our code is now much cleaner and we don't have duplicated code with gray text class. Okay, this is our about page that is completed.